Ever wondered how some software feels almost alive? Let's dive into the world of AI agents. AI agents are software entities powered by LLMs or machine learning models. They perceive inputs, decide actions, and execute tasks. These agents typically react. Think chatbots answering your queries or automation agents handling repetitive tasks. Now, enter Agentic AI. This advanced paradigm shows autonomy and proactivity, pursuing long-term goals. It goes beyond just reacting. Agentic AI plans, reasons, and adapts as it executes tasks. Inspired by cognitive science, these agents act like adaptive decision-makers. Let's look at the differences in architecture between AI agents and Agentic AI. AI agents operate on a simple model: input to reasoning to action execution. They are often short-lived and session-based. They rely on straightforward prompt response methods with optional tool integrations. Agentic AI, on the other hand, has a persistent memory system and a planning module that sets multi-step goals. It features a reasoning engine that evaluates and adapts through feedback loops. Typically, Agentic AI employs multiple agents that collaborate to achieve complex tasks. Now let's explore some key features and capabilities of these two types of AI systems. AI agents are task-specific and reactive, allowing for easy integration with various APIs and tools. These are great for simple tasks like chat, single-step retrieval, or automation. In contrast, Agentic AI exhibits autonomy, setting its own sub-goals. It uses multi-step reasoning, long-term memory, and adapts through collaborative efforts. Self-improvement through feedback loops is also a key aspect of Agentic AI. Next up, let's look at some real-world use cases and scenarios for both AI agents and Agentic AI. AI agents shine in customer support chatbots that assist with inquiries and FAQs. They also automate tasks like data entry and report generation, making life easier. Personal assistants powered by AI agents help with reminders and scheduling. On the other hand, Agentic AI can act as a research assistant that explores sources and drafts summaries. Imagine a coding copilot that autonomously debugs, tests, and refines code through different sessions. And let's not forget enterprise copilots that handle persistent state across finance, healthcare, and legal sectors. Agentic AI often utilizes multi-agent teams for simulations, strategy development, and collaborative problem-solving. Autonomous agents are making waves in robotics, IoT, and industrial automation as well. So, how do you build these AI systems? Let's break down the process for both AI agents and Agentic AI. For AI agents, you can use frameworks like LangChain and Semantic Kernel, integrating LLMs seamlessly. Focus on components like LLMs, tool integrations, and a retriever or vector database. For example, you could create a chatbot using retrieval-augmented generation. Now, building Agentic AI requires adding complexity with planning, memory, reflection, and orchestration. Incorporate multi-agent graph-based orchestration using tools like LangGraph and CrewEye. Don't forget persistent state management, utilizing databases and vector stores. Finally, ensure safety measures with guardrails and termination conditions. Let's look at some practical examples that highlight the differences in applications. For AI agents, imagine a chatbot dedicated to answering HR questions using company documents. On the flip side, what about a research copilot that autonomously sets a research plan? This copilot retrieves academic papers via APIs, summarizes findings, and critiques them. It even updates its research strategy based on feedback while saving memory for future sessions. Lastly, let's talk about cloud platforms and services that support AI agents and Agentic AI. For AI agents, options include OpenAI's GPT, Azure OpenAI, and Google's Vertex AI. You can also explore Anthropic's Claude and AWS Bedrock for robust AI solutions. For Agentic AI, consider tools like LangGraph and CrewEye for collaborative workflows. Cloud deployment on Azure, AWS, and GCP is essential for persistent databases. Integrating AI systems with enterprise platforms like Microsoft 365 and Salesforce makes it even more powerful. With all this in mind, it's clear that AI agents and Agentic AI are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. What are your thoughts on AI agents? How do you envision them shaping our future? Let's continue exploring this exciting journey together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep questioning the future of AI.